everybody, Lisa here in your Immunity Kitchen. So today we are going to make something that most people don't think about because they go to the shops to buy it, but it is full of lots of fillers, MSG, and other things that are not good for our bodies. So today we are going to make a beautiful taco seasoning. And we're just going to make it out of all the spices that we have in our pantry. So here we go. Now, the first thing, and this is something that I find is one of those things that we can get lots of, you know, we can save up all our jars. So save your jars. They are really, really helpful and handy to do these types of things in. All right, so we're going to start with some smoky paprika, which is one of my favorites. And I love herbs and spices. They give everything so much flavor and they are so good for us. You know, they are the original medicine. We used to use all these things to help us, you know, using things from nature to help us with our health. So we are going to pop 3 tablespoons of our smoked paprika in here. Okay. Then we have some beautiful cumin, which, you know, is great for hummuses and curries and just so good for you. So we're going to pop a couple of tablespoons of cumin in. Now you will be really surprised at how much this is just perfectly, smells and tastes no different to what you already know, which is what you get from the supermarket. But this is a really good way of making it because you can make large quantities of it. You know, this is a recipe that you can double, triple, quadruple, however many times you like to make a big jar full and only do it once in a while. You know, and then you can put it on your food that you want to use it in. You know, I don't use it in mince, but you can use it for your taco mince. But for me, I love putting it in a real creamy, sort of cheesy, what's it called, a quesito that I make. It's like a cheesy dip, and it has this in it as well, and it's made from cashews and all those lovely things, and I will be showing it to you in another video soon, coming up soon. And you know, the flavor is just like you are used to, you know. And this is the thing, this is something you don't have to, you know, make change it. It's just the fact that you're making it from scratch, which is actually really, really easy. All right, so now I'm just going to put a full tablespoon of my onion powder in here. Okay, there we go. Then we are going to go to our garlic powder. So we're going to put 3 teaspoons of garlic powder in. Then got some lovely oregano here, and we are going to put a couple of teaspoons of oregano, some salt. Now I use sea salt, which is, I like using flakes in mine, but just use a nice natural salt. Stay away from the iodized salt, okay? You need to get it as pure as possible. Now we have 2 things that, well, one of them is good to have in there, and that is some pepper. So you can put a teaspoon of pepper in it because there's quite a lot there. And then, now, the chili powder is optional. I find a teaspoon of it is not too bad. You know, if you put more in, it might be a bit hotter. You can leave it out though, and you won't get a change in the flavour. You'll just get a change in the fact that it won't have the heat in it. And then you use your jar just to shake it on up. Okay, shake this up. It literally takes you 5 minutes, you know. And these are herbs and spices that most of us, I think most of us have oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin and smoked paprika in our cupboard, and of course some salt and pepper. So, you know, you can make up your own garlic seasoning, taco seasoning. Oh, that just smells exactly like what you get, except so much fresher. And when you put it in your screw top jar, it will keep it nice and fresh. So, you know, sometimes I'll make enough to fill this up, and that'll last us quite a few meals. So there you have it, taco seasoning. Why buy it in the supermarket when you can make it at home so much fresher and tastier? And it is so easy, so natural. You don't have all of those extra bits that they put in things, those fillers to, you know, to clog up your system. So a much healthier way of making a taco seasoning. So these are the things that I do every day to help my clients to, you know, really drill down into their health, why they've lost their energy, why, you know, all the different things that you need to really start to move your health forward. And it really is, you know, when you think about it, and in my experience, I have found that most people, when they start tweaking and paying attention to some of the things they put in their body, it makes a complete difference to their health. So if you want to talk about your health a little bit further, I will pop in a link down below for you to have a free consult with me. And let's get talking about your health, and let's really improve how you are feeling. So from my immunity kitchen to yours, have an amazing day, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.